everyone. I am 30 today and nothing much. We're just on our way to the office to have lunch with the team. And then nandun din yung Lana family. And then mamayang gabi naman, dito kami magse-celebrate sa house with the Sebastians. So, I'll take you along with me for my 30th birthday. Just a quick reflection as well na, oh my gosh, 30 na ako. And I honestly can't believe I am genuinely happy right now. Usually, kapag sinabing happy birthday, parang it just goes from one ear to the other. But right now, I am really, really grateful and very, very thankful sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay ko. Good and bad. And I am just really thankful for the solid support system I have. My husband, Josh, thank you so much for always making me brave and do things I don't think I could do. My family, I am just so happy na closer than ever kami ngayon. And my team, isa to sa mga dahilan why and how I keep going in life. They inspire me so much. And my community as well. I never even imagined that I would be someone na magkakaroon ng ganito gandang community for Lana PH and MINK. And I am really, really thankful and grateful for you, everyone. And itong pagsalita sa camera, I didn't even imagine I could ever do this in my life kasi I have been very shy all my life. Some of you won't even believe me. Wow, 30. Ang dami-dami kong lessons na gustong i-share sa inyo. Maybe that could be a separate video. Let's see. And ayun lang, sobrang thankful lang ako for this life na andito ako ngayon sa position na we could generously touch lives and help others. Ayun lang. Tama na to. Let's go to the office. Iniintay na nila kami.
Apat yan. Apat na wish. Yay!
Hello, I just got home from the office and I just quickly showered para mag-dinner na sa baba with the Sebastians.
Yun, babe!
Oh,
Another one!
Yay!
Good morning. I've been living inside this sweater from Morena label for around a week now. Today I'll make tea because I have a lot of gifts from friends. This one is from Tamis Bakehouse. Hashtag I deserve Tamis. Thank you, Jelly, for this. And I also had a lot of leftovers from Love Chef. This one is a super yummy, gooey, vegan brownie with peanut butter. This one is a cookie from Love Chef as well. Hindi ko na rin naubos. And we still have a lot of cookies inside. This one was baked by my mom. Thank you, Mama. I love baked goods. So I'll have breakfast for a change. I'll just make tea for this, and then let's go to work. So this is what we'll have. Ewan ko ba, lagi lang akong kakagat tas di ko uubusin. It's been a couple of days after my 30th birthday. It's actually June 12 right now. I just really couldn't believe I am experiencing things I am experiencing right now. Lahat ng mga being in a position to be able to help people, sobrang saya lang talaga sa feeling. And sa totoo lang, hindi ko in-expect na before 30 ko siya magagawa. If you are someone who's experiencing self-doubts, struggles in life, if you are someone na nag-work and gustong mag-start ng business, thinking na parang shocks, hindi ko naman to kaya, or paano ko to gagawin, I don't have resources, or I don't have the enough connections to do business, I say just go ahead, do it, gawan nyo ng paraan. Not everything will be served to you on a silver platter, and you just have to climb your way through it. Mahirap talaga, yes, sa mahirap, pero it will all be worth it kapag na-achieve mo na lahat ng mga goals mo in life, lahat ng mga dreams mo in life. So I will be here cheering you on. Kung kailangan nyo ng help, kailangan nyo ng tulong with anything, I am more than willing to lend a hand if I can. Kids, dreams do happen, and I think it's time for me to give back. With this, you just go ahead and DM me on Instagram. Medyo matagal lang ako mag-reply because I have so much things to do, but I make sure that I reply to each and every one of you. Hindi lang agad-agad, but I will. And I think that's just it for me tonight. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.